Mahalo to Brother Mike and mahalo to YouTube program for sponsoring our Culinary and beautiful prawns from Hilo, all the way from Hilo.
Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my Hawaiian prawn catch and cook.
And make it nice. Get in there and cook your prawns.
Oh, now she's just being demanding. All right, here we are. We're going to be doing some prawn fishing, spearing. We also, this time, I've been here before. We got prawns here last time. I brought a trap. We're going to throw it in. We're also going to throw some more traps in down below. Watch along. I'm just going to drop this trap in that deepest pool I can. We're just going to let it sit. We're going to go down below and try and spear some prawns. Next prawn spot, getting the net set up right now. First one's in. All right, let's go in with number 2. All right, let's get the other 2 out. All right, we got them all in. Now we're gonna go up and spear some prawns. Watch me go get in and spear a prawn or 2.
Got one.
See that hole back in there? Go up in there, you'll see it. It went in that crack. I'm gonna go put this one up. Here's the one that I just shot. We're doing all right. All right, we're gonna pull these pots and see if we got anything. Don't know, never seen anybody use these kind of pots down there. So I'm gonna start the first one with dry. Might be a little bit tricky getting it through some of the dry. We got chicken in it, that's it.
Chicken in it. No fishy.
No fishy. Not working yet. Okay, that's the first pot that we threw in. Before I pull it, I'm just gonna dive around in here and see if I can find any. I did see a couple when I dove down there, but I missed both of them. We know there's nothing in there, but might as well show pulling it anyway. Oh wait, there's chicken and a hot dog in there. Well, we only got 5, but there's some monsters. That is a beautiful prawn. Look at the claws on that thing. But these are super cool. Check out these. You got a horn right on the end of it there. We'll pull these helmets off. I'll show you that when I get to cooking. I'm gonna get these in the fridge.
Get on that cooking, Mike. Let's go. Mahalo again. Here we go.
That's Auntie Mona. This is about the prawns. This is about the prawns. We want the prawns to be the centerpiece. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna get them in a pot, and I'm gonna butter sear them. Let's get them cleaned up. So we're gonna take these, and it's very simple. See this right here? A big old horn on there. All we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this back side of this shell off, pull it around, and I want all this helmet off. Pull all that helmet off. And if you want to, you can pull these, but see the horn's gone? We don't need to do anything beyond that. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna drop it in this pan over here. So every one of these, I want to get the helmet off, and then we're gonna get them in the pan and we're gonna start cooking. Beautiful prawns. Like I said, this is all about the prawns. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna get these prawns on. We've got our beautiful Kerrygold butter, and we're just gonna go in with the healthy portion of it. Don't worry about it. If you want to, at the end of this, if you had, I don't have any, if you had some white wine or some sake, you throw it in here and make a wonderful sauce for this. Garlic, Italian seasoning, because I have some of that. Some everything seasoning. Not used to it, but you know what? It's going in. Chef Dad smoked salt. Yes, I brought it to Hawaii. Yes, it's the best seasoning in the world. We're just going to go ahead with a healthy pinch of Chef Dad smoked salt. And we might as well drop in a little bit of pepper while we're at it. We just want this butter to start cooking these prawns up. These are some beautiful prawns. Yes, they have the shells on them. This seasoning is going to penetrate clear through it. It's going to be amazing. Okay, we're just going to keep on cooking. We got our rice going over here. We're going to cut up some avocado. I'm going to show you the right way to take care of an avocado. So, a little piece, get rid of it. Okay, knife in, clear against the pit. Go around, clear around. Okay, now you got to check out my short. See the rest of that. Avocados, simple. I suggest never doing this. This is not how you take care of this because this knife will poke right through there. This avocado is like nothing I get in Alaska. Take a spoon, put it on the side, rotate it around. Peel it all out. Okay, let's get these flipped over. These will not take a long time. Look at them claws on there. Oh yeah. Get everything flipped over. Okay, I put a lid on there. There's not a lid that'll fit, but that's going to do perfect. Just about done, so when I flip them over this time, oh look at that. Look at those big old claws hanging out there. I'm just going to turn the heat completely off. And I'm going to let them sit. Here's the main dish. We're just going to pull them apart right here. Look at that. Here we go. Alright, that's unreal. Come to Hawaii, catch your own prawns, cook your food. Oh, they're so good. They're so buttery. They're so delicious. Alright everybody, this video over here, YouTube picked for me. That one over here, I picked for you. This over here is the subscription button. Push it. I need your subscriptions. Thanks everybody.